Just a quick follow on for the last video. As you can see, I've cladded all my cupboards now. I'm now going to make some doors. When I make doors out of cladding, I might paint them a different colour, but I think this grey goes really nice against the black carpet. I didn't bother to paint the inside there because it's going to be inside the cupboard anyway. But there you go, so I'll be making doors for that soon. That'll be the next stage. I added these here as well. I put a couple of USB sockets in here. I put them on a switch because I didn't realise until I wired them up they had a built-in on-off switch. Just touch that, just a little touch switch, and they're on or off. I didn't know that until I wired them up. So they're now on a switch down below. And I put another one down the back end. So if I need to use something on USB from that end, I can. At the moment I'm trying to find some 18mm ply to finish off my bench. It's not as easy as it sounds. But anyway, watch this space. I'll be making doors next, or maybe doing the bed next, depending on how I feel at the time. Bye for now. Following on from the first part of this video, decided I will make the bed first. So I went and bought OSB. I tried to get 18mm ply. Couldn't find anybody with any 18mm ply in stock. So this is the bed in its bench format. So I'll go around the back of the van. And at the back, so I've left it so it's 12 inches fixed here. The holes are obviously for ventilation for the cushions. I'm going to finish this off here, put another piece of wood that comes up to the top here, and then put an edge in over it, make it look pretty. So those back bits, that's 20 inches, these are 12 inches. And these are both 20 inches high. What I'll do is I'll put the camera down and see if I can pull it out, show you how it all works. I have to excuse my bum, but I'm going to go out there and pull the bed down. There it is now. Laid down flat. It's now a 6 foot by 4 foot wide bed, and it should in theory go back up as easy. There you go. Simple as that. Absolutely as simple as that. It was actually tighter than I expected, but it works. Oh, it's not right in. It should go back a bit further. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. I will put a facer board across the front of this tomorrow. I will cut holes in the front, leave them open like that. Won't bother with doors, but I should put a fascia board on it just to make it look nice. But I'll keep the fronts open like that, so it's easy access to bits and pieces I want to put inside. I'll do the same at the back. But there you go. It's getting there. It's getting there.